What's up guys, just finished week 18 of the trading challenge, trading from $100 to $1 million, currently at 17.8k, last week we were at 18.7, so we are down around $900 this week. Pulse chain's just very dry at the minute, there's not much going on, so yeah, I didn't really do many trades this week. I've literally took 2 trades. The first one was Blast, I'll show that real quick. So, this one here, Elon made a tweet, and I basically just traded his tweet. So I got in as soon as he did it, one of the first buys, and then it took like an hour because Pulse chain's quite dry and there's just not much volume. And yeah, it probably wouldn't have even pumped if Beard didn't make a tweet. Yeah, Beard's made a tweet around here, and then I just sold on that like 2.5x or whatever it was. I put in 400 and I took out 1.1k, so I made 600 overall on that. And then the other thing I did was P-ball. And let's have a look at that. It doesn't even show up. So yeah, I only put in $70. I haven't sold it, and yeah, the chart doesn't even show up because it hasn't been traded in 24 hours. So yeah, other than that, there's literally nothing to talk about. I'm still holding Ink, Kishka, and Don, some people, and some Pulse chain, and that's it. So I'll just go through the charts real quick. So we'll go through Dawn first. In this like downtrend, it's holding around 10k right now. Hopefully it should break up pretty soon. But yeah, Dawn's just another Richard Hart animal in that, like, he has the cat coin, the dog coin, and then his raccoon. And I just thought, I'd buy a couple percent of that because, why not? And then what else? Kishka is, it came out of this downtrend, broke up, now it's doing a little bit of a retest and kind of like a double bottom here. So yeah, Kishka looks pretty good and a nice buy zone down here. And what else? Ink is the only other thing I'm holding. So yeah, Ink is also right at the bottom, like not expecting it to go much lower. If it does go any lower, it'll go down to like this area, which is like 1.3 or 1.4 dollars. That's kind of like my worst case for Ink, which is only like a 25% downside, so nothing to really worry about. But that's literally it. Pulse chain is just at its floor. There's not really much happening. There's no like good new launches really. Most shit doesn't even run past like a couple 100k if that. And there's just old coins that are moving right now. Like you could trade on like P copies, for example. P copies went up a little bit just because Richard Hart made a tweet, and yeah, there's a lot of coins that are doing well, but they're more like long-term holds. So yeah, I need new launches really. Pulse chain just isn't in that time right now, so it's pretty much just a waiting game. We're just chilling, waiting for some meme season or anything to happen on Pulse chain. Yeah, we're sat at 18k roughly, and we're just holding Kishka, Ink, and Don pretty much. So yeah, that's all. Quick episode, quick weekly update, nothing really to talk about. I'll show Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin is at 104k. It closed the weekly candle nicely, and it looks ready to break out probably next week. If it doesn't, then soon enough it'll break out. ETH also looks pretty good, but it did get rejected off this trend line again. But yeah, it's a bullish pattern overall, and it's also got that inverse head and shoulders that I spoke about last week. Yeah, expecting that to break out soon enough. I think February will be pretty bullish, but we'll find out. There's no rush really. But yeah, that's the drill. That's the whole weekly update, and yeah, see you guys next week.